Hello students, good morning everyone. Good morning, can you hear me all? Good morning. So as this is your EVS class, open your EVS book and you know the previous day we already, chat box. We already discussed about the materials, right? The different materials of our clothes. So, today we will learn about man-made materials, okay? That is we call the man-made materials because it is made by man and its name is nylon, okay? Its name is nylon. So the previous day we already learned about the cotton materials, wool materials and silk materials, right? And today we will learn about the nylon materials. Good morning Hidi, I am fine. How are you all? So, these materials nylon made by man and this is as this is the man-made materials, that's why cotton mixed with nylon thread, that as this is example of man-made fibers, so we can mix those two threads like cotton and nylon and we get new types of materials. And we can also mix the silk materials with the nylon thread and we get also the better silk, better nylon materials, okay. So we can, as this is a man-made material, so we can mix two types of materials in it and we get the better one, okay. So, so here the fourth materials, because we already got the three materials, right, that is cotton, wool and the silk, and that is the fourth material nylon and this is made by man. Open the page number 28, you can see here that the people who help in making clothes. Here in those about those materials which already we learned, right, those materials, those clothes, those things made by some people. So that is their work and they do it very well, that's why we get the more designer clothes, right. So that's why we have to know now that the which people make those clothes and we called them, which name we called them. So first one you can see here that the farmer. We already learned about the cotton clothes, right, the cotton clothes. And here those cotton material we get from cotton plants, right, cotton Read listen very carefully that the here we have to know at page number 28 the people who help in making clothes. We wear the different types of clothes, right, and we wear different kinds of material clothes and like you know that we wear cotton clothes in summer season and we wear the woolen clothes in winter season. So that's the different material, cotton and wool, you know this, right. So now some people make those clothes, some people make cotton clothes, some people make woolen clothes, some people get wool from those sheep, camel, rabbit, right. So they are the different kind of people and their jobs were also different. So we have to know about this and about them, okay. Okay, Ridi. So now you can see in your book at page number 28, here is a picture of farmer who is collect cotton from cotton clothes. That's why we call them farmer. You know, the farmer cultivate the food grains or any plants, those rice we eat, those cultivate by farmer, right? Those people we called farmer. As we call you the students, like that, as your work is learn anything. So that's why you all are students like them, like you, that they are the farmers, and farmers got those cotton from cotton plants. So we call them farmer. And next you can see here is a man who rears the wool from a sheep. We already know that we get wool from 3 animals, right? So tell me those name of those 3 animals from whom we get the wool. Tell me their name. Fast, reply fast. We get the wool from 3 animals, right? Very good, Ankita. Very good, Pratushna. Camel, rabbit and sheep. Pratushna told me that camel, rabbit and sheep. Ankita, you only write here the camel. Tell me the others 2 name also. Ritosri, sit properly and do the class because it's already late. Very good, Ashmi. Sheep, rabbit and camel. But Ashmi, you write here the spelling of rabbit is wrong. You mistakenly give the E extra. R-A-B-B-I-T only. Okay, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Okay, very good, Riddhi. So here the pupil, they make the clothes and we get wools from those sheep, camel and rabbit, right? And those we call the we call them shepherd. S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D, shepherd. So those men, those people who do this work, who get the wool, who pluck the wool from the sheep, from the camel, from the rabbit, the hair of sheep, camel and rabbit, those people we call shepherd. Okay, those people we call shepherd. That's look the spelling, that is very tough. So you have to memorize this spelling. So for S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D, shepherd. So now you can see the 3rd picture in your book. You can see this. Very good. Ritosri, Ashmi, Ankita. So now you can see the 3rd picture. A man weaves cloth on a loom. Loom is a machine where those people those we call the weaver, those people make clothes by those thread. We know about the cotton thread, silk thread, woolen thread, and now we already know about the nylon thread also, and those mixed nylon with cotton, with silk, those mixed thread also. So here those people who make our clothes on loom. The machine is loom. So those we clothes waves by those people we call weaver. W-E-A-V-E-R, weaver. Okay. Yes, Pratushna, Ankita, that is shepherd, S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D, okay, P-H-R-D, shepherd. So now you can see those people who weaves those clothes on a loom. The machine is loom, L-O-O-M. This is the wooden machine, okay, wooden machine, and those machine we call loom, and who works on it, those people we call the weavers. W-E-A-V-E-R-S, weavers, okay. Weavers weaves clothes on a loom, okay. And now you can see the workman who work in factories. Workmen work in factories and run the machines that make synthetic clothes. Here we got some machines nowadays. Here the machines is very workable, and those man is called workman, okay. And those who work in factories, so those people we call workman. See the page number 28. Here at the up of the page, at the top of the page, you can see the nylon is one type of materials. As you learnt about the cotton materials, wool materials, silk materials previous day, right? And from this chapter, from the first page, you already learnt about the we wear those three types of clothes in the different season of the year. That summer season we wear cotton clothes, and you know the cotton clothes made up of cotton material. So like that, nylon is also a material, but this is a man-made materials. Like the cotton mixed up with thread, nylon thread, and we get the better nylon. So those nylon is also material, and we work on them, we make clothes and other things also, okay. So this is a material, and we mix them with other thread also. That's why we call this man-made fibers. So did you understand now? Okay. Pratyushna, what happened? So here you can see the workmen in factories run the machines that make the synthetic clothes. So here workman work in factory, and he make synthetic clothes. Okay. And you already know that the shopkeepers sell the different types of clothes. When we go for shopping, we go any one shop or any various types of shops. So here, who show me those different dresses, those people we call shopkeeper, okay. Those people we call shopkeeper, who is work in shop and who show us the different kinds of dresses, okay. So that is their work, and we called them shopkeeper. And the next one is, you can see, an old man who stitches our clothes. Here is not only the tailor is not only old man. Here anyone can work on it, but here is a picture in old man. But the tailor stitches the clothes to make our dresses. Those people who makes our dresses by stitch them, those people we call the tailor, okay. Those people we called the tailor. So here we already get to know that the people who help making clothes, and we know about those people who helps us to making our clothes by different kinds of material and by different way, because everyone not only in a one way, they work the different kinds of work. that we get to know about the farmer. Farmer, what they are doing? Farmer collect those cotton from the cotton clothes. Okay, so the cotton is a material and the farmer, and those cotton we get from cotton plants, and their farmer work on them, work on the cotton plants to get cotton. And after that you can see a shepherd work on the sheep, and shepherd pluck those hair of the sheep, hair of the camel and hair of the rabbit to get the wool, right? So those people we call shepherd. And the third one is weaver. Weaver weaves our clothes on a loom. Loom is a wooden machine and weavers work on them. And the next one is workman. Workman works in factories and they make synthetic clothes for us. So those people we called workman who works in factories. And the next one is shopkeeper. We already know about this. The shopkeeper works on shop and they show us the different types of clothes when we go to the shop. And the next one is tailor. Tailor may stitch our clothes. Tailor stitch our clothes. Okay, so here we already we learned about those people who work on the different kinds of things on it. So we completed this chapter today, the clothes we wear, and from this chapter we learned about the cotton clothes, we learned about the woolen clothes, silk clothes, and now today we learned about the nylon clothes also, right? And we already learned about the uniform, and those people who go for their workplace, they also wear their special clothes and we call them uniform. And today we also learn about those people who helps in making clothes for us, right? So here you have to learn this, you have to read this very attentively and tell me, have you any problem from this chapter or from this lesson today? Have you any problem, anyone, about this, those people who make the clothes or any material? Protushna, Riddhi, have you any problem on that? Okay everyone, so that's all for today. Read this chapter very attentively at your home, and the next day we will start the exercise part. Okay, and you have to read this, and if you have any problem on that, you can tell me. Okay everyone. Protushna, synthetic is one type of material that we wear those synthetic clothes. In this chapter, the previous part we learned about those silk clothes, synthetic clothes, cotton clothes. So synthetic is also a material which made of those nylon silk thread mixed up. First we mixed up, and then from those thread we make those synthetic clothes. Okay. So that is the one type of material and one type of clothes. Okay, Pratushna? Okay everyone, to read this very attentively, and that's all for today. Have a nice day and bye.